Hey there, let's play a game. You want to play a game? It's real simple and easy, right? As soon as I get something wrong about you, I want you to tell me that I'm wrong by tapping the skip ad button that's momentarily going to pop up somewhere over here. Okay, here we go. You are interested in real estate investing. You are a male between the ages of 25 and 44, and you have absolutely no idea who I am. Okay, you're still here. That's perfect. All I want to let you know about is that season 4 of the W2 Capitalist podcast is now available wherever you consume podcasts, including right here on YouTube. If you like the preview that's about to follow, my hope is that you subscribe and download all 24 episodes from this season. That's it. Cue the preview.
It was the people manager at Abercrombie and Fitch.
Yes.
In the St. John's Sound Center.
Well, that glove fits, Your Honor.
Just feeling like you're a part of a team is motivating.
A lot of people talk about financial independence and all this, and it makes for a great podcast. But what they don't tell you about is the transition that you go through from W-2 employee to entrepreneur, and the emotional transition that you go through. I mean, it can be tough.
A students work for C students.
Tilted, and the hot water line was just spraying water everywhere.
Oh,
and I have no idea how long it had been doing that.
My CPA and the IRS are listening to this, then it is definitely for a real estate thing.
So our goal for these were not to talk too much real estate. So can we switch topics?
Cool.
Maybe quit designing hats and maybe get to work.
These are
we found a baggie of little white powder in our.
Is that a handy from the electrician?
We talk about our what we think. Like, I have several of what I thought is our biggest blunders that we've made.
Yeah.
I've been a drug addict, but I had somebody try to offer me for like 4 houses yesterday.
We're seeing as a society to think that the next logical thing to getting out of high school is to go to college. So you're getting in debt by hundreds of thousands of dollars so you can immediately go to the workforce and be pinned down to a job for the rest of your life.
Like surfing the wave of this market without wiping out was like something that I'm figuring out right now.
you can't have a mustache like that and keep a wife, man.
I would caution you, we're working with an attorney on an issue. It's backed by Lloyd's of London.
That whole spousal relationship when it comes to investing. And
So let's talk about automated messages with Airbnb. You got
If you truly believe you've put in the time that is required to build your business, then you can let yourself enjoy the time.
to you, the listener, welcome to season 4 of the W2 Capitalist podcast.